Happy New Year to the best agents in the business. So happy to start 2024 with you guys. It's hard to believe this is going to be coming up on my 6th year with this company, right? 5-6 years. Yeah, it's been crazy, long time. And I've enjoyed every minute with you guys. I'm looking forward to our best year yet. 2024, we are going to have training like we've never had before. I'm in the process of writing some new curriculum. One of the things that we're going to be doing and really working on and concentrating on is every month having an agent mastermind where you guys come in and we solve the problems of what's going on using all of our heads collectively. We've done a couple of these. They've been extremely successful. I want these to be monthly now. And you know what? If these work and these become something that become twice a month or even every week, even better. We're also trying to set up that culture of collaboration here at our main office in Avila. If you guys come in, we want you to come in and we want you to share with each other. Because you know what? We're all in the trenches together. We're there to support you. And of course, the other agents that are here to support you. And we want you to support them. It will make us all more successful. So what's coming up? We're starting in January with our Working with Buyers for Success. Again, check the calendar. I believe it's a week from, I think it's the second week, Wednesday in the month. We're having our agent mastermind here in Avila right after Digital Mastery. We have all of our regular courses, Script Mastery still on Tuesdays. Again, Digital Mastery Wednesdays. Fridays, of course, the Morning Grind. Our several coach training sessions, of course, are every Monday. And they will begin on the 8th. We're not going to be here New Year's Day. So just want to wish you all a very happy new year. Let's work together and make 2024 your best year in real estate. We are going to have all the resources we had and new ones and better ones as we're, like I said, I'm continuing to build new curriculum and have more ideas of how to support you. We're all in this together, guys. Let's make this the best year yet and kick some butt. Have a great one. See you during the week.